Our dedicated engineers have perfected a range of industry-leading Hawk-compliant road plates, specifically designed to replace dangerous, noisy, unreliable, and cumbersome steel plates. The LowPro 1505 can be used for trenches up to 700 mm, while the LowPro 2305 is suitable for trenches up to 1200 mm. Our high visibility road plates are easily maneuvered into position by a team of 2 using our easy lift handles, and can be secured in place by bolting sections to the asphalt. Our patented drop pins lower into the trench to lock the cover into place and prevent lateral movement. The drop pins secure the cover as traffic passes over it, ensuring that there are no gaps between the plates and that the trench remains safely covered for the duration. The road plate's ramped LowPro edges make pedestrian and wheelchair use safe and practical, while their adaptive design allows vehicles to travel over them in virtual silence. As trench lengths are not consistent, we've made flexibility a key feature of our road plates. Expansion is managed easily and quickly, with 500 mm sections locking together into position to form a super strong cover at the length you need. The non-load bearing ramped end pieces provide a smooth transition over the excavation, and with instructions for use molded into the slip-proof surface of the product, you'll always know your installation is sound. We have storage and repair covered too. The bespoke stillage means you can keep your road plates safe and secure when not in use. And each component can be replaced, meaning maintaining safety is cost minimal. Designed to cover trenches up to 1200 mm and support a guaranteed maximum vehicle weight of up to 44 tons, our LowPro road plates are incredibly strong. They are routinely tested to ensure a 2-to-1 safety factor, making them the most complete system for today's safety-conscious roadwork and construction industries. At Oxford Plastics, we've got it covered.